Hello. So recently I'm enjoying the FPGA board made by myself, and also this is available my Tindy store. And actually this board has a sounder, piezo sounder, and this is connected to the P28 pin number 28 of the FPGA via buffer by using the transistor. Now I'd like to activate this sounder, and I'd like to show the demo application of the sound and count. Let's see how it works. Actually still it is working as a I2C GPIO extender, and it is driving LEDs and the sounder. Now I upload it to the Arduino. Yes, now 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, this sound is generated by the sounder and caused by actually the switching of the level high and off, and repeating very high frequency will release to the sound. Yeah, it's working. Have fun.